Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. For the new people tuning in, today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows off camera and I also did one eye off camera. For brows, I used the Foolproof Brow Powder in shade 3. To set my eyebrows, I used the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. For shadows, I used the James Charles palette. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into the other eye, and I'm also gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer. So I'm just gonna take 518 and B and mix both of these shades together. Now I'm just gonna go into Rusted, and You're Kidding. I'm just gonna go back in with the orange and yellow shade and blend these two out. So now I'm just gonna take 10% off No Bean and Boutique. So now I'm just gonna take 10% off No Beans and Boutique, and I'm gonna just mix all the shades together and add them to my crease. So now I'm just gonna take some of the Giorgio Armani eye makeup remover and some Q-tips and clean up wherever I'm gonna cut the crease. And what I'm using to cut out my concealer is the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in Light. So now I'm gonna go into Canvas, this beige shade right here. Now I'm gonna go into B, this yellow shade right here. So now I'm just gonna start blending both shades together. So now I'm gonna go in with 10% off No Bean and Bouquet, and I'm gonna take that to the outer corner. So now I'm gonna take some of this Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in Illuminati, and I'm just gonna take like a little flat top brush and add this wherever the beige is. I'm also gonna add that shade to the brow bone. And now I'm just gonna wipe the excess shadow. And now I'm gonna go in with some MAC Black Track liner, and I'm gonna line my lids and put on my lashes off camera. And I'll also do my foundation off camera. Alright guys, so I already did my face and I already did the liner and the lashes. For lashes, I used the Kala lashes in Fuego. And then for foundation, I actually used the powder foundation today. So for foundation, I used the MAC NC42 Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. And then to brighten up my under eye, I used the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation in Fawn. For bronzer, I used the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer. For blush, I used the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in 18. It's Hush Blush. It's this one. For highlighter, I used the Artist Couture highlighter in Illuminati. For lips, I used the Cork lip liner. And this is Ofra in Verona. Now we're gonna move on to the bottom lash line. First shade I'm gonna go in with is these two red shades. And now I'm just gonna mix these three browns together. And I'm gonna put this like really close to my lash line to darken it up. And I'm also gonna add some nude. This is Rimmel Nude Kohl Liner. And I'm also gonna add some bottom lash line mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess. And alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!